Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to copy wallet address in Binance. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open your Binance app and log into your account. At the top of the screen, tap on Wallets, then select Spot if you're receiving crypto into your main wallet. Next, tap on the Receive button. Now, search for and select the coin you want to receive. For example, Bitcoin or USDT, select the correct network. For example, if you're receiving USDT, you might see options like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Make sure you select the same network the sender is using. Once selected, Binance will generate your wallet address. Tap the copy icon next to the address. You can now paste it wherever you need to receive the funds. Safety tip: always double-check the network and wallet address before sending or sharing it. Sending crypto to the wrong network may result in permanent loss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.